Skills Training Videos welcomes you to this visual training presentation on the topic of forklift truck operation. The Forklift Truck Operator series has been developed in the interest of improving your knowledge and skills as a professional and world-class operator. This is Module 2, in which we will be discussing and demonstrating basic vehicle checks for conventional counterbalanced forklift trucks. The purpose of performing vehicle checks is to make sure that the vehicle that you are operating is in a safe and roadworthy condition. When you as an operator accept to operate a vehicle, then you also accept the responsibility of anything going wrong whilst you are operating with it. Most companies perform their checks against a standard checklist. The checklist serves both to remind the operator what checks must be made and also acts as a report form. There are basically three types of vehicle checks or inspections, namely pre-start checks, start-up checks, and shutdown checks. In this program, we're going to describe typical procedures for performing a pre-start inspection. As we learnt in the previous module, there are different types of forklifts, and of course there will be some different procedures to follow depending on type. It is highly recommended that you follow any specific procedures by referring to operators' instruction manuals wherever these are available. Let us begin now as we follow a typical pre-start inspection routine for engine-powered vehicles. It should be noted that the particular order in which pre-checks are performed is not important, as this may vary depending on the format or layout of your company's standard checklist. We will begin our inspection at the driver compartment. Check the conditions and the security of the seat. A damaged seat may simply be uncomfortable, but a loose or broken mounting could result in the loss of operating control. Look at the various instruments and warning lamps. At this time, we are simply concerned about their physical condition, not their operation. Instruments must be clearly visible. The glass or perspex covers should be clean and not damaged so that the gauges are obscured. We will now check the physical condition of the various control devices, which include the steering wheel, the hydraulic control levers, the direction control levers or pedals, the handbrake, and the brake pedals. All the control devices must be clean and free from grease that might cause your hands or feet to slip during operation. Check that the control devices are not worn or loose at their pivot points. Check off these items on your checklist and, if applicable, note any faults that you found.